can help firefighters out.
It's gotten so bad that the smoke has made its way all the way up here into Michigan. Kevin, a lot of people shared pictures with us of the sun, kind of that hazy glow that it had today.
Yeah, you could almost look at the sun directly, which you really can't do very often without damaging your eyes, and you could see that orange ball of fire. I've got a story posted at fox17online.com with video. This video that I'm going to show you, by the way, good evening, everybody. But, you know, we're forecasting kind of a mostly sunny sky. It's more of a partly sunny because of all that smoke and haze hanging in the air. As I said yesterday, I want to show this again because this is the big story, and that's why we posted a weather story that's related to this online. That smoky haze that's out there, you could model smoke, you could model ocean currents, you could model wind, you could model temperatures, any of that stuff. So this is what this forecast model does. It takes the smoke that's out here over the West Coast and it rises. It gets picked up in the upper levels of the atmosphere with the jet stream winds up around 30,000 feet, and it gets carried from west to east, and that's exactly what this is showing. You can see all the green there that's coming right into the area. So I would expect not blue sky and sunshine here for us over the next few days, but this hazy, smoky haze coming in here from the West Coast fires, and it can move 800, 1,000 miles or more. And you can clearly see that's what it's going to do through this week. So again, got a story posted at Fox 17 online if you want to look at that video or some other photos that viewers sent us that are attached to that story. And we talk about the 5 million acres that have been torched and some other things. So kind of an interesting read. Mostly sunny tomorrow with a smoky haze to it. Mainly dry this week. There's a slight chance of a shower coming in Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then cooler temperatures are going to be coming behind that front by the time we get into Friday and Saturday. I've got nothing on radar right now here. We look at our temperatures. We're already down into the 40s there in Mount Pleasant and Alma. I think a lot of us are going to fall down into the upper 40s to around the 50-degree mark. So it is going to be a chilly morning. We got down about 51, 52 in most spots this morning. So that's kind of a gauge. If it was cool for you this morning, it's going to be cool for you tomorrow morning as well. So there it is as we look out. There's not a whole lot out here, just some thin cloud cover, but obviously that veil of a thin veil of a smoky haze out there as well. Tomorrow, kind of a blue sky, but not completely. I think we see more of that smoky haze. 74, a little bit warmer, and we'll have a south to southwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's going to kick up the waves on Lake Michigan, especially from Holland northward. That's a high beach hazard risk. We expect waves there about 3 to 5 feet. If you're south of Holland, that's a moderate beach hazard risk. Waves at about 2 to 4 feet for swimmers and boaters. If you're south of South Haven, it's a low beach hazard risk out there. Here are your Lake Michigan water temperatures, and for you boaters, small craft advisories, 3 to 5 foot waves with a south wind at about 15 to 25 knots. On the weather map, here's what it looks like at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, that smoky haze that's out there, breezy, but will drive some of the temperatures into the low to mid 70s. This is tomorrow at 6 p.m. as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday. There's not much going on. Still some more sunshine. This front will sink in here on later Wednesday. It may have a shower to it Wednesday evening, Wednesday night into early Thursday. It's a moisture-starved system, but behind it, there is certainly cooler air that's going to be pumped in here with Canadian high pressure, and our temperatures are going to drop off by the time we start getting into Thursday and beyond. Here's what it looks like: 74 on Tuesday, 78, the warmest day out of the bunch on Wednesday. We're 70 on Thursday. Maybe that slight chance of a shower Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Then look at the temperatures. They drop right off. 60 on Friday, 62 on Saturday, 69 on Sunday. Maybe some good apple cider weather coming in there. And then, of course, we've been talking about this. This is Hurricane Sally. It's a Category 2, 100-mile-per-hour winds. These are tropical storm warnings and hurricane warnings up in red there. The problem with this is it is going to be a strong hurricane, Category 2, 100-mile-per-hour winds. Certainly nothing to sneeze at here, but this is going to be a slow mover. And what it's going to translate to is the potential of some very heavy rain here over the next several days. You could see the timestamps there, and this is going to go right into the southeast United States. One forecast model showing, just like we can model smoke, we can model rain. Look at the bullseye of rain here. 10, 12, maybe up to 15 inches in some of these areas because it's such a slow mover. That is Hurricane Sally, and that is a look at our weather forecast. Doug, Janice.